Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're broadcasting live from my webcam on my computer. Let's switch to the eMeet webcam, which you see right here, and show the difference. I have my normal editing program. A nice thing about this is it was plug and play. When the good folks at eMeet sent me a webcam, I was like, I don't know if I want to set it up. I dreaded the idea of setting up an external camera and microphones and all that stuff. Well, guess what? You just plug it into the USB right here, and my Windows-based computer automatically recognized it. It was just that easy. Then I just put it up on my tripod, and I was good to go. Now, a nice thing about the eMeet is it will clip right here on top of your laptop, and if you're doing work from home, like many of us are, all of a sudden those conference calls are super easy. You can put this thing pretty much, it screws right in to any tripod mount, any camera mount, and there's a clip where it'll also just go right on top of your laptop. It's a top laptop. So anyway, folks, it's super awesome and super fantastic. So I'm going to definitely recommend this. One thing I noticed is that the sound quality is so much better than the microphone on my laptop. That's one of the reasons I don't record directly off the laptop, is because the microphone just, it's not good, right? And this is a high-end gaming laptop. This thing was a couple grand. But you know what? The eMeet 1080 webcam has dual microphones, and it really picks up sound so much better, and that's what you're hearing right now. We're in a huge room, so it may be a little echoey. That's not the webcam's fault, that's just the room. So anyway, 1080p autofocus webcam from eMeet. It's pretty fantastic. Some of the features is autofocus. It is rating at 5 volt, a USB webcam. You can check them out, let's see, at eMeet.ai, and you can actually contact them directly at support@eMeet.ai, as well as they give you their phone number right here. It does come with a very simple instruction guide. I looked through it, but I didn't have to go into great detail because it was, pretty much autofocus, auto sets up microphone. Literally, I just selected the webcam that I wanted to use. You can use the built-in camera or switch over to the eMeet.